there's one other. There it is. This is the Mineral Fusion that I'm having to replace. Let's see if it's close. Oh, y'all, it is. It's those two colors. Look. It is. Hold on. It is. It's those two colors right there. Thank goodness. But this will be the purse size. In case you're going to a place and you think, I forgot to cover up my age spots. So that's going in my pouch. And then I always have a hand cream. And that can go in my pouch or not. Right now it's going to fit. Oh, here's another one of these. This is another 045. I just got like doubles of everything. Why do I do that? And then I also have a little Neutrogena wipe that I keep in case your mascara goes bizarre or just some makeup feature goes really bizarre and you've got to fix it. A little alcohol prep. Just keep it in there. Just get, you know what, that should go in my saturated with 70% alcohol. I would keep that for if you've got a cut or something and you need to clean it off really quick before something. And then the rest of this is just, oh, y'all, this is the weirdest thing. I got a purse, the Latico purse, that had this little tag on it. And it says, "We hope you love natural leather." And it's just got a little message on it. But the main thing is it's suede on the other side. And when it's really hot outside and I need a blotter, like that, and you are done. And it's not damaging, or I don't know how it breathes it out, but it's like you don't have to clean it. It's the weirdest thing. So I keep it in hot months in the makeup pouch just to blot my sweaty face. And if it ever does get bad, I'll throw it out. That's what it was actually meant for. And then I do need to put this in whatever wallet I choose. It's my little return addresses, the Happy Buchanans, and one that says Elizabeth Buchanan or Beth Buchanan. And then also some, that really is supposed to all be in my wallet. See, here's another one of the jewelry wipes that you could wipe your glasses with too. And then stamps, which I've heard the Forever stamp is changing. I hate that. A little thing of matches. You never know when you need that. Some people use it if they have a little, expel a little bit of gas in the bathroom. They'll have their purse with them and do a little in someone else's home or something, and they'll quickly do a little match. The only thing is, when you do a wooden match, it has a smell too, so people know you just did that. But what if you're in some kind of a situation, like really you should have a lighter than matches, or a flashlight if you need light or to start a fire. I don't smoke, and I probably wouldn't offer a light to someone who does smoke because I don't want to encourage it. But for some reason I always feel the need to have this. I don't know why. So it's just in there. I'll stick that in the little black one that has all the little extras. And actually, that's where I'm also, no, we're going to keep the little leather thing in with the face makeup stuff. And then I think that's pretty much it. There's some little cards and my business cards. And then all of these things work out anytime. I canceled that gym and did the other gym. And then that's just a piece of paper. This is, I will have to keep this. And that is the car wash contract I need. Why? Why did I get a contract to have regular car washes? I think it's because it was during spring and every week I was having to run it through there because in the South, you know, pollen. But I need to cancel it. So that's why it's in my purse. And then also this little coupon that expires July 31st. So I got to use that this week. So it'll go in there. And I think that's it. Is that it? These little things. What's that? Oh, you know what? This is one of those little Michelle Design Works hand lotion packets. And I'm going to put that in because I like this, but it's heavier. It's better to do the little packets. So I'm going to do that because you only use it once. Most people don't ask for anything. I do also keep a little sweetener. I'll put that in the other little miscellaneous. I also keep a little Christian, are you 100% sure where you would go when you die, from a little track in case I ever want to witness to someone and leave something behind. There's some more of those. Whoops. And I think that's all, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. Tell me what you think below. Love y'all. Bye.